Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to change paper size in Google Docs. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Google Docs. Now to change this paper size, first of all go to this file. On file, you can find this page setup. Click on this and over here you will see these multiple options. You can see apply to whole document, orientation, portrait or landscape. And after that you can see here is paper size. Here is letter. You can just select this and choose any one from here. Now I will go with this A4 size. And now to apply, just click on this OK. And now our paper size of Google Docs is changed. So in this way we can change paper size in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.